Hello everyone. I just found a new idea to how to do all the Volkswagen, maybe including Audi or Peugeot, how to correct to the door panel, the carrier panel. Because I see when I do the job and I search on YouTube, a lot of people, even me, before I don't know how to put those pin back in. See that this is three pin. Some model is two plastic pin. So because it's a way to do it, but most people they don't put it back because they can't do it. Okay. Okay. First, I will put three link here down to the bottom, so if you can see later, it will be easier. The first link I show is a web page. The web page show this model, the Golf 5 and the Z5, Z4, how to do all the step. So even they say remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the step. It's very long down to the bottom. So if you want to read, you can read this page. And if you want to find other model, you can find this one. It's very good. You can see every step. For some reason, I don't know, it says a photo, but I don't see any. Maybe my website can't support or something. So, but it's still very good. You can see all the steps down, how to do it. Okay. What I need to. Okay, the first thing is they have mostly they have two different models, just two pin. See two pin here, and they hold the thing inside. Hold the lock inside to go to the door lock, to lock to the door lock. And this is the 3-pin model. Because if you only take the panel out, you can just push the 3-pin out, the panel will come out. For easy to do the window regulator and the door lock, but if you do it separate, it can't put the pin back because you need to hold this thing from the behind, so there's no way you can do that. And when you punch it, it will move out. So that's why people can't do it. So it's a 3 different way to do, but depend your car model. So I don't know which car model. How to do is, for me, how to do, if I'm not a Volkswagen dealer, they know how to do, but I don't know every model. But for me, I do is I punch the 3-pin out first. This out. Some of every people do it wrong. I just punch it out. Same thing here. Punches 2 out. And then you take the carrier panel out, and then you can see from inside. And you see inside, you see how big the back white plastic plate. If you only go to the door lock, you need to remove the door lock. If you go around like the Passat wagon, they have a quarter panel. They have a quarter panel. Let me see the quarter panel. Where's the quarter panel? For example, like this. Like this, they have a quarter panel, and this one have the quarter panel window, quarter window. Then it's a well under here, so the hole in front of the lock. So you need to remove the short well. The short well is about here down to here. So you If quarter window one, you need to remove the window, take all the window out, and then move the seal up, and then you can see the bolt. And some model have another bolt behind here. And the bottom about here, you just slide in, slide down, so you don't need to do anything. But then you slide this short wheel out, then you can remove this model. You need to remove the panel with the door lock and the outlet door handle one piece out together. I will show you some other people how to take it out. Okay, the first thing, this model is a Golf. It's a 2-pin. This boy, I'm not sure. It's the first time to do this job too. So when you take out, it can take out this slide, this single pin out. But I think 2-pin may be smaller. Maybe it can slide out. But for safety, I suggest take the pin out, and then you can put that thing after you take out. Put it back after you take out, and then you can check this can slide out. Then you can slide it out and then put the thing in here first, and then slide it back. You put it back in on 2-pin model. But on 3-pin model, we got to go to the locking. It's a very big here to go, and even the U1 go back to the outlet door handle. You need to take everything out in one piece. Okay, I show you this video how this come out. Okay, I will play this video a short time. Okay, get ready, go. That's how they come out, and see the lock come out, and you see behind the outlet handle come out together. Okay, it's about to come out because they're moving around all the wire. And then see the back here. They come out everything together. I will go a bit early. Again, I will stop about when they come out. See, the door handle is here and the door lock is here. So this back piece is very big. He didn't take it off, and the back piece is go back around there. And we got this. If the rear door, if the window well about go through here and go into between the outlet handle and the door lock down to here. So you need to remove that thing before you take everything out together. That's why that's how and why you need to take it out, and how to put the pin back. You will change the lock, you just put the pin after you take out, and then change the lock and change all the panel. You do the same thing. So hope this can help everyone to fit it properly. But if for my car properly, I just use a cable tie to hold between the two holes. You still do the job, because it's too many things to come out. It will not necessarily do. I'm not sure exactly what this pay for. I think it's just for holding. It's not for security or water or anything. It's just holding this together so they can come out together. So some people even say the manual say don't put the pin back. Very strange. Okay, but if you don't put it back, minimum you need to cable tie it better. If you will make noise, especially you're closing the door. If you own one of the car and you did one of the model and you did the door lock or window panel before and somewhere, then try to close your door, see hears any noise. If you hear noise, that means that this is hitting the carry panel. So if you don't like the noise, you may need to take it out to fix it. Or if you don't know how to take everything out, just after you take the outlet panel easier, and then you just cable tie it. They will stop the noise. Okay, this is 95%. I don't see any YouTuber can do this job. I don't only see this guy can do this job, but he don't speak English in the video, so you can see this guy is doing replace all the door, so you take off everything out from the door and remove the door. So if you're going to replace a second-hand door or some a new door, then you can see this video. If you like my video, please subscribe and follow me. I got some other video maybe can help people do the job. So okay, see you next time. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you. Bye.